Welcome to Singing with Ron. So this is a quick video just to say that breathing for singing is not taking in a huge amount of air. Try that. Just take in a big breath and then try to let out the air very slowly. And feel all of the tension in your body. So when you breathe in for singing, you want to breathe in a comfortable amount. So say to 70% or 60%. And you may even, with belting, want to not even breathe in and just go, hey, without taking in a breath beforehand. That's a big key thing in belting. So uh, pay attention to whether you're going at the beginning of phrases and breathing in a whole bunch of air that's just creating tension.